Schoolboy we go now as Clarendon College claimed the coveted ISA award to the Dacosta Cup, the symbol of rural area schoolboy football supremacy, in an excited final inside the Montego Bay Sports Complex last evening. Shoshana McGowan has our review.
The debate raged ahead of Saturday's final. Which is the superior CC? That we may never be able to tell. But a 10-man Clarendon College meant business from the first whistle, with hopes of putting last season's defeat to rest. And so they did, beating Cornwall College 2-1 to claim their 8th Dacosta Cup title. It was a near disaster for the Clarendon boys after their goalkeeper Tafari Chambers was ejected after handling the ball outside the penalty area. Some debate from the Clarendon technical corner before substitute keeper Alston Cork was inserted. The Clarendon-based boys were put in the lead by national under-17 player Nick Q. Daly in the 53rd minute. Cornwall College, after several missed chances, restored parity through a goal from defender Sanjay Williams in minute 64. With only a few minutes remaining and still locked at 1-1, many maybe thought penalties would have been the decider. But attacking midfielder Lamar Walker in the 82nd minute secured the win for Clarendon College. The Lenworth Hyde coach team capped off an amazing season with 15 wins.
In the second half, they went 3 at the back and put numbers up front. But I think we were disciplined, you know. When we played and we were patient because we know at any time Lamar Walker or Nicky Daly can pop up for us. And they delivered for us today. The goalkeeper came in and he did excellent. And I love how the captain played, the right back. Yeah, he played an excellent game. But it was pure heart and determination and bare guts we showed today.
I'm always confident. Play with my team is like a passion to play with my team. I have some great players, so I just have to work with them and we come out on the right day and we have it.
Cornwall College did not end their season empty-handed, having walked away with the Champions Cup last weekend with a 1-0 victory over Jamaica College. The battle for All-Ireland supremacy. The Olivier Shield will be played between Manning Cup champions Kingston College and the Dacosta Cup champions Clarendon College next Saturday. Shoshana McGowan, TVJ Sports.